Unlocking Nature's Secrets. China's astonishing $62 billion water transfer project. Discover China's groundbreaking South-to-North Water Diversion Project, the world's largest water transfer endeavor. Explore its costs, environmental impact, and benefits for China's dry northern regions. From mountains to canals, how China's mega-project transforms water scarcity into abundance. China is undertaking a monumental task, defying nature itself through the construction of the world's largest water diversion project. With an extensive network of artificial canals, aqueducts and tunnels spanning thousands of kilometers and traversing formidable mountains, China aims to alleviate water scarcity in its dry industrialized population centers in the north. In this video, we delve deeper into China's controversial South-to-North Water Diversion Project, exploring its cost, motivations, environmental consequences, and its potential to benefit the Chinese people. Hey guys, hello, and welcome back to another amazing video. If you want to see more enthralling content like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. China's geography has always been a double-edged sword, both blessing and cursing the nation. The Yangtze and Yellow River systems, flowing from west to east, have ensured that much of eastern China remains permanently inhabited by thriving civilizations for thousands of years. These regions benefit from fertile floodplains that sustain a continuously growing Chinese population. In particular, China's Yellow River Valley stands as one of the world's most consistently developed and expansive arable lands. Conversely, China's northern and far western territories are characterized by aridness and rugged mountains. From the desolate expanses of the Taklamakan and Gobi deserts in the north to the imposing landscapes of the Himalayas and the Tibetan Plateau, these regions are sparsely populated and ill-suited for agriculture. The striking contrast becomes evident when considering that 94% of China's population lies east of an imaginary line that divides the nation. Historically, Beijing, the capital, and its surrounding northern cities have served as population centers, agricultural hubs, and trade hubs for the country. However, as China's population and economic prosperity soared unprecedentedly in the mid-20th century, the scarcity of vital resources, such as water, became increasingly apparent in the northern regions. Cities like Beijing, heavily reliant on groundwater, faced the consequences of urban and industrial expansion, resulting in the over-exploitation of this limited freshwater source. Compounding the issue was the relentless expansion of the nearby Gobi Desert in China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, accompanied by more frequent dust and sand storms. Desertification, caused by human activities like deforestation, climate change, and the depletion of underground water sources, claimed up to 3,600 square kilometers of grasslands annually, an area twice the size of Luxembourg. By the early 1950s, it became evident that northern China would soon be unable to meet the water demands of its growing population. China urgently needed a sustainable solution to support hundreds of millions of people in historically dry regions. In 1952, Mao Zedong, the founder of the People's Republic of China, proposed the audacious idea of transferring water from the water-rich south to the parched northern regions. Mao famously stated, "Water in the south is abundant, water in the north scarce. If possible, it would be fine to borrow a little." 50 years later, in 2002, Mao's vision gained approval from China's State Council after years of meticulous planning and research. This monumental undertaking was officially named the South-North Water Transfer Project, a grand blueprint entailing an intricate network of aqueducts, tunnels, reservoirs, and dams designed to channel freshwater from the south to the north. The project encompasses three major canal systems, namely the eastern, central, and western routes. The eastern route, commencing near the city of Yangzhou, taps into a major branch of the Yangtze River. A massive but aging pumping station facilitates the transfer of water from the Yangtze into the Jinghang Grand Canal, the world's longest fully constructed artificial waterway. After passing through an underground tunnel beneath the Yellow River, the water traverses a series of aqueducts, ultimately reaching the coastal city of Tianjin, located northwest of the capital, Beijing. Extending over 1,100 kilometers, the eastern route began construction in 2002, with initial expectations to carry freshwater as early as 2013. However, construction delays pushed the timeline back by over 4 years. As of 2017, freshwater finally reached Tianjin, benefiting an estimated 10 million people with an annual volume of 1 billion cubic meters. The central route, unlike the eastern route, did not have existing infrastructure to divert water from. Consequently, constructing this route posed significant challenges. Originating from the Danjiangkou Reservoir, the central route necessitated elevating the Danjiangkou Dam by as much as 15 meters to facilitate downstream water flow toward the north. This elevation allowed the water level in the reservoir to rise sufficiently, enabling its passage through canals and aqueducts without the need for pumping stations. However, this adjustment to the dam required the relocation of over 300,000 people from Hubei and Henan, displacing them from their homes to make way for the expanded reservoir and canals. The central route, spanning over 1,200 kilometers, is a network of man-made canals and aqueducts that traverse the Chinese Central Plain. Notable among these waterways is the Shay Aqueduct, extending over 12 kilometers above the Shay River's surface. The central route's construction was completed in 2014, and upon its completion, approximately 1/3 of the water flowing through the Han River was diverted, posing challenges for the millions reliant on it for freshwater. In response, the Chinese government announced the construction of a massive underground tunnel in July 2022. This tunnel, running 1 kilometer below the surface, will connect the Three Gorges Dam to the Han River, and subsequently, the central route leading to Beijing. Upon completion, it will be the world's longest and deepest artificial waterway. By 2030, the central route aims to transfer up to 12 cubic kilometers of water annually, accounting for approximately 1/3 of the Three Gorges Reservoir's capacity. The western route, still in the planning stage, presents the most formidable challenge among the 3 routes. To achieve this ambitious endeavor, China plans to construct a series of waterways and tunnels connecting the Yangtze River to the Yellow River through the treacherous Qinghai Tibet Plateau, situated approximately 3 to 5 kilometers above sea level. The region's demanding topography and climate add to the complexity of this project, requiring engineers to carve through mountains to traverse the rugged terrain. Upon its projected completion by 2050, the western route is expected to deliver approximately 17 cubic kilometers of freshwater annually to northern Chinese provinces. This route, once realized, could cater to a combined population of nearly 100 million people. While unofficial plans have hinted at the possibility of diverting water from transboundary rivers such as the Brahmaputra and Mekong, originating in China and passing through India and Southeast Asia, respectively, these notions have not been officially incorporated into the project's scope. Nonetheless, India has expressed concerns about China's potential manipulation of the Brahmaputra's flow, prompting the Indian government to monitor the situation closely. The South-North Water Transfer Project remains an unprecedented engineering feat, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in reshaping the natural landscape to meet human needs. It serves as a testament to China's determination to overcome geographic challenges and provide vital resources to its population. As the project continues to evolve, its long-term success will depend on a delicate balance between environmental conservation, social well-being, and economic development, an enduring challenge that China and the international community must address collectively. That's all for today. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.